we clean up our space. Toys in the box, everything in place. Cleaning up is part of the fun. Good manners for everyone. Blocks and dolls, cars and balls, back they go on shelves and walls. Stack them neatly, row by row, ready for tomorrow, all set to go. Sweep the floor, wipe the dust. In our cleaning skills we trust. A tidy room, a happy face. In our play area, everything has its place. Sing a song as we work along, making cleaning up feel like a song. With a clap and a cheer, we're all